Namaste everyone. Welcome back to Next Nation. If you're following our series on working as a nurse in Germany, you already know that step 1 is learning German. Today we are talking about step 2, getting your Indian nursing degree recognized in Germany. This is one of the most important steps of the entire process, and honestly it is also one of the most confusing. Many people don't know where to start. They apply to the wrong office, they send wrong documents, and they waste months. In this video, I'm going to break it down clearly so you know exactly what to do step by step. Let's start. What is degree recognition and why does it matter? When you complete nursing in India, you get a degree or diploma recognized by the Indian Nursing Council. But Germany has its own nursing standards. Before you can work there as a nurse, Germany needs to confirm that your Indian qualification is equivalent to the nursing qualification. This process is called the recognition procedure. Without this recognition, you cannot work as a nurse in Germany legally. So this step is not optional, it's mandatory. Now, there are two possible outcomes from this process. 1. Full recognition. This means Germany has decided your Indian qualification is fully equivalent to a German nursing qualification. You can start working immediately as a fully licensed nurse. 2. Partial recognition. This means there are some gaps between your Indian training and German standards. In this case, you will need to complete what is called an adaptation period, where you work in a hospital under supervision for 6 to 12 months to fill those gaps. After successfully completing the adaptation period, you get full recognition. Don't worry if you get partial recognition. Most Indian nurses go through the adaptation part and you still get paid during this time. Which office handles recognition? Here is something that confuses many people. Germany has 16 states called Bundesländer. Nursing recognition is handled by the state, not by the central German government. This means you apply to the nursing authority of the specific German state where you want to work. Each state has slightly different process and different required documents, but the general requirements are similar. Popular states for Indian nurses include Bavaria, North Rhine, Bade, Berlin, Hesse. Many Indian nurses apply to states that have faster processing time. Your recruiting agency or employer will often guide you on this. What documents do you need? Here is a general list of documents required for recognition. Application form from the state nursing authority. Passport copy, valid passport, nursing certificate or degree, your Indian nursing qualification. Mark sheets, transcripts, all years of your course. Syllabus and curriculum from your nursing college, very important. Proof of work experience, letters from hospitals you worked in. German language certificate, Goethe, B1 or B2. Birth certificate, officially translated. Important. Most documents need to be officially translated into German by a certified translator. Don't just use Google Translate, it will not be accepted. Also, many documents need to be apostilled. This is an official stamp from the Indian government that certifies the document is genuine. You can get this from the Ministry of External Affairs. Here's how the recognition process works. Step 1. Collect all your documents, certificates, transcripts, syllabus from your nursing college. Step 2. Get documents officially translated into German by a certified translator. Step 3. Get required documents apostilled from the Ministry of External Affairs. Step 4. Submit your application to the nursing authority of your target German state. Step 5. Wait for the decision. This can take 3 to 6 months, sometimes longer. Step 6. You receive a letter of full recognition or a letter explaining the gaps. Step 7. If partial recognition, your employer will arrange the adaptation period in Germany. How much does it cost? The application fee for recognition is generally between 100 euros to 300 euros depending on the state. Translation and apostille costs can add another 10,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees depending on how many documents you have. Some employers in Germany cover these costs for you. So when you are looking for a job, ask if they offer this support. A big tip, apply early. The recognition process takes time. Start this process as early as possible. Ideally while you are still learning German. Don't wait until you finish B2 to apply for recognition. Do both at the same time. This way, by the time you have your B2 certificate and a job offer, the recognition process is already moving forward and you save many months. So to summarize today's video, degree recognition is mandatory to work as a nurse in Germany. You may get full recognition or you may need to complete an adaptation period. Both lead to the same goal. Apply to the nursing authority of your target German state. Collect all documents, get them translated and apostilled. Start early. Do this while you're learning German. In the next video, we'll talk about step 3, how to find a job in Germany as an Indian nurse. We'll tell you exactly where to look, how to apply and what employers want to see. Subscribe now and don't miss it. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll answer everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.